This is going to be a huge H&M haul. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Ira and in this video I'm going to show you some beautiful pieces that I picked from H&M, and these pieces are not just your regular top or a dress, but these are styling pieces जो अपने wardrobe में incorporate करोगे तो आपका look बहुत ज़्यादा elevate हो जाएगा. We'll talk about everything in the video piece by piece, so let's get right into it. Beginning with my favorite pieces, the tailored shorts. If you're someone who enjoys wearing shorts and have been lately wearing denim shorts, I recommend you move to tailored shorts. And if you really want to elevate your wardrobe and change your look, still being the authentic true self of yours, yet elevating it a slightly. So first up I have these tailored shorts, and these are my absolute favorite of everything that I ordered. Why? Because सबसे पहले तो denim shorts, if that's your regular pick, उससे tailored shorts पे अगर आप switch करते हो तो आपका look ये बहुत ज़्यादा elevate कर देता है. Like you are still a shorts girly, but this is more elevated. Your denim shorts is more regular, it's more like teenage vibe, it's fun, but these tailored shorts suddenly make your outfit look very put together. और अभी जैसे मैंने इसको स्टाइल किया है विद अ वेस्ट कोट, बट यू कैन ऑल्सो ऑलवेज वेयर इट विद अ ब्लेजर. यू कैन ऑल्सो मेक इट मोर कैजुअल एंड वेयर इट विद अ टी. और अगर आप इसको टी शर्ट के साथ पहनोगे तो इट लुक्स सो अमेजिंग. मतलब इट जस्ट एलिवेट्स योर बेसिक टी शर्ट इनटू जस्ट समथिंग एल्स. दिस वन आई ऑर्डर्ड इन साइज स्मॉल एंड आई लव्ड इट सो मच दैट आई ऑर्डर्ड इन बोथ कलर्स. I ordered it in black and I also ordered it in light beige. There are multiple other colors that H&M has. White, it has navy, it also has khaki green. So you can make your pick. I think white and khaki green, even navy is a very good pick. These are linen blend shorts, so linen is such a summer material. Next is this beautiful straight white drawstring trousers that I absolutely love. Again, this is also in linen material, and again linen is such a summer material. अगर आपके पास wardrobe में linen नहीं है, I think I would suggest one thing is to just add one linen piece, preferably a whole pant, like these trousers kind of something, and especially white linen trousers can elevate any look, trust me about it. अगर आपके पास striped shirts हैं जो कि आजकल is a big rage and everybody has it, just pair it with it, tuck it half in and it looks so nice, summer cozy friendly. Also like summer में अगर if you're worried about tanning तो dresses में you can save that also. It is very cool, breathable, easy breezy. I ordered it in size small. It is slightly see through, तो वो तो whites के साथ and linen के साथ होगा ही, because linen is a material like that. So you can always wear nude undergarments under this, preferably a shapewear or a shorts, biker shorts. Nude biker shorts would be amazing, कुछ भी पता नहीं चलता है, and it looks really nice. Next I ordered this waisted linen blazer again. As you can see there's a pattern in my video. I've preferred to purchase a lot of linen pieces because obviously summers, and it's the most summer friendly material that also makes you look very rich, classy, put together. It definitely needs a little maintenance. Every time you wear you need to probably iron it a little bit, but then there's no going back once you fall in love with linen. So this one is the waisted linen blazer and it's in cream color. It's not completely that sparkling white but lightly cream, and I've ordered in size small. It has a slight slit on the sleeve, और इसको आप ऐसे gather sleeve करके ऊपर करके भी पहन सकते हो. It looks so amazing. Like right now styled it with a waistcoat, you can wear it with your shorts. In my previous videos I've also styled it with my tailored shorts. You can wear it on your shirts, and also you can wear it on your summer dresses because it's a linen blazer. So of course जब आपको tanning से अपने आप को protect करने के लिए you can just throw it on a summer dress, sleeveless, noodle strap, anything, and it looks so gorgeous. You should definitely invest in some amazing classic statement pieces that never go out of they never go out of trend, and they are slightly expensive otherwise, but in sale you can obviously buy. Adding a blazer to your wardrobe is a very nice pick. If you're liking this video so far, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Next are these white tailored trousers that I ordered in the color beige, and everything in this haul is such a nice investment styling piece because it's not just a next trending top that I've ordered कि अब इसको किसके साथ style करूँ, jeans, skirt, short, which will it go with. This is a piece that will go with everything in your current wardrobe. Like even if you have a basic white t-shirt or a sailor striped shirt, t-shirt, any black tee, तो white or black like everybody has in their wardrobe, and it is gonna make it look so elevated because this is beige color. Beige and white is one of the best combinations that I love. Black के साथ भी ये बहुत अच्छा लगता है. The fit on this is so amazing. The flare, it cuts right off just above the ankle, which I like. The structure on this is so amazing. It's very flat on your tummy, lower area. It's not very high rise, so it doesn't create a bulge on the tummy area as well. And I ordered this in size small. So I absolutely love the neck next purchase, which is the Mom Ultra High Denim Shorts, और इसका कलर बहुत ही ज़्यादा अच्छा है. इसमें बहुत सारे blues थे, but this one is particularly the light blue denim short, and I absolutely love this color because ये white t-shirt के साथ इतना ज़्यादा अच्छा लगता है. It gives that vake vibe, and नीचे जो folding detail है, that also makes it look very carefree and very very fun, if I may say so. It also reminds me of that song, I don't know why, ये दिल क्यों ये मेरा शोर करे. I just remember that because probably of the beach and whatever, the fun, the vacation, the yacht. So I just absolutely love it. This is in size small, and the color, as I mentioned, is light blue denim, and it's absolutely stunning. In case you're wondering where is this waistcoat from or where are the sunglasses, it's from Myntra, and everything will be linked down below. Lastly, I ordered 2 very cute summer dresses for my daughter. One of them is this one. It has a raspberry design all over it in red, and it's very cute pink. It's so summer. And then next I have this very nice mint green, light green color dress with hearts all over it. It's so summer, and this color is so pretty. So I ordered these 2 summer dresses for her, and that's about the haul. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Till the next time, bye bye, take care.